Today is teaching data filtering in Excel 15 master question and answer. My channel name Learn of Computer with PPT in English. आपको एक क्वेश्चन आंसर यूजफुल लगे तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए. यूजफुल है एंड तक देखिए वीडियो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है, What is the purpose of the filter features in Excel? Excel में filter features का use देखिए, purpose क्या है उसका, आंसर क्या है? It allows you to temporarily hide rows that do not meet certain criteria so you can focus only on relevant data. What about temporarily hide rows that do not meet certain criteria? Focus only relevant data. This is the filter features. Second देखिए, how do you apply a basic filter to a table in Excel? Basic filter क्या है देखिए, आंसर select your data, go to data tab, filter, drop down all rows, appear, choose criteria. थर्ड देखिए, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फिल्टर एंड सॉर्ट? एक्सेल में फिल्टर एंड सॉर्ट का डिफरेंस देखिए, आंसर क्या है? फिल्टर मीन्स हाइड्स अनवांटेड रोज एंड शो ओनली मैचिंग डेटा and sort means rearrange all rows in ascending and descending order. This is the filter and sort. Fourth question देखिए, can you filter by multiple conditions at once? देखिए, yes. For example, you can filter marks greater than 70 and class 10th at the same time. This is the multiple condition at the once. Fifth question देखिए, what happens to hidden rows when you copy filtered data? आंसर देखिए, only the visible filtered rows are copied, hidden rows are ignored. Sixth question देखिए, how do you clear a filter in Excel? Filter in Excel देखिए, clear option क्या काम करता है? आंसर, go to the data tab, clear or click the filter drop down and choose clear filter form. This is the data tab. Seventh question देखिए, what is the difference between auto filter advanced filter? क्या है auto filter and advanced filter में difference आपको देखना है. आंसर, auto filter quick simple filtering using drop down menus. And advanced filter means allows complex criteria, copying filtered result and to another location. This is the auto filter and advanced filters. Next. Eighth question देखिए, can you filter by cell, color or font color? Yes, आप कर सकते हो. In the filter drop down, choose filter by color to show rows with a specific formatting. What is the shortcut key to apply filter in Excel? Excel में filter apply करने के लिए एक shortcut key है. क्या है? Press Ctrl plus Shift plus L to toggle filters on oblique off. 10th देखिए, how does filtering affect formulas like sum or average? आंसर क्या है? Normal formulas still calculate all rows, even hidden ones. To calculate only visible rows, use subtotal function. 11th question देखिए, what is the subtotal functions used for with filters? filters में subtotal function कैसे यूज करना है? आंसर क्या है? It calculate result like sum, average, count only for visible rows after filtering. 12 देखिए, कैन यू फिल्टर टेक्स्ट डेटा बाय पार्शियल मैचेस? आंसर क्या है? यस, यूज द फिल्टरिंग ड्रॉप डाउन, टेक्स्ट फिल्टर्स contains does no not contain to match part of a word. This is the partial matches. Next देखिए, 13th question है, what is the difference between filter by selection and filter by color? आंसर क्या है? Filter by selection shows only rows matching the selected cell's value. क्या करता है selections filter? Show only rows matches the selected cell's values. And filter by color क्या काम करता है? Shows rows with the same cell or a font color. 14th क्या है? How do you use advanced filter to copy result another location? Answer क्या है? Go to data, advanced filter, copy to another location, select criteria, range and destination cell. This is the advanced filter, copy result another location. 15th last question है, why is filtering useful in large data set? आंसर क्या है? It helps quickly narrow down information, spot trends and always only relevant record without deleting data. This is the filtering useful large data set. आपको ये क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर अंडरस्टैंड हो गए हो तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए। ऐसे ही वीडियोस आपको देखने हो तो माय चैनल नेम लर्न अप कंप्यूटर विद पीपीटी इन इंग्लिश। थैंक यू।